In order to remove the lock cylinder, you must first remove the door panel. Tutorial in the description or the info card. After the panel is removed, remove the film on the inside. Now remove the 3 screws of the window guide. Pull out the rubber seal on the window guide and then push the window guide a little to the side. You can now clearly see the locking cylinder on the inside. Pull away the metal clasp on the inside. Now you just have to release the lock. Insert the key on the outside, unlock it and hold it. In the unlocked position, the lock can now be pushed inwards. Then turn the key back to the normal position and remove the lock cylinder. When installing, simply insert the lock cylinder and unlock it briefly. This causes the lock to engage again by itself.